Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record audio in Audacity. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Audacity application. Open your application and you'll be on your dashboard. So in order to record any audio, you can either choose to record it the first way, that is by clicking the R button on your keyboard, or you can also navigate to this small red icon here. By clicking on that icon, your audio recording will be started automatically. So click on this record button. Now you will see some waveforms forming up. This is your voice. You will see the recording level at the top and your audio will be recorded. Now in order to stop this recording, you'll have to just click on this stop button just right here. And as you can see, we have successfully recorded this audio. Now in order to save this audio, click on the file button at the top, choose export audio. Now choose the format for your audio. You can choose WAV, that is the highest quality. Click on browse, select the space where you want to save it, rename it and click on export. Now if you want to record another audio, click on file and click on new. Now you'll be able to record your audio from start by clicking on this red button, that is the record button. So that's how you record in Audacity. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell.